What's up guys? This is Baby Snow and welcome back to my channel. I'm here now with the Trend pre-sale. So, ang current price ni Trend ngayon is 0.001 and there's only 37 days left before mag-end ang ating phase 1. So, keep in mind na ang price ni Trend token ay tataas ng 0.01 pag nag-enter na tayo sa phase 2. Okay? So, kasabay ng phase 2 na yan, yung pag-launch ng ating staking. Okay? Staking project. So, mamaya, sige, pasilipin ko kayo sa aking staking project. Actually, naka-ready na lahat yan. And, of course, syempre, one at a time yung ating pag-launch. And, great news dun sa mga sumasabay no, sa launch ni Social Booster. So, nagbigay ako ng mga proof on how this works, yung ating social media booster, wherein pwede tayong mag-earn ng mga followers, likes, subscribers. Okay, so napaka-useful niya lalo na dun sa mga content creators na gustong mag-build ng kanilang mga channels to start monetizing their any social media account. So pwede sa Twitter, pwede sa Facebook followers, pwede sa YouTube subscribers, pwede sa Telegram members. Alright? Lahat ng social media accounts, pwede guys. At ang good news doon is, pwede lang tayong maka-avail ng mga products na yan. Ang payment gateway natin or payment method natin is only Trend token. So, it means, from day 1, ay meron ng use case si Trend token. Okay? So, congratulations sa mga nakakasabay no, sa pag-buy sa ganitong price. So, guys, again, ina-announce natin, no, 37 days left. And after that, phase 1 ng ating pre-sale, yan, tataas na siya sa 0.01. It's a big difference, guys, no? Kasi if we try to compute, okay, say for example, you have only $50 to buy sa pre-sale. So, yung $50 na yan, i-divide natin, no, sa 0.001, okay? So, you can have 50,000 Trend tokens. Alright? Now, once nag-enter na tayo sa phase 2, which is kasabay din yan yung pag-launch ng ating staking, okay, ang price na niya is 0.01. So, yung 50,000 token mo, if you only hold that, okay, i-hold mo lang yan. So, i-multiply natin sa 0.01. So, eto na yung magiging value ng $50 mo, magiging $500 na yan. Okay? Malaking profit na yan. So, again, kapag hinold mo pa rin, okay, hindi mo ginastos or hindi mo in-spend yung iyong 50,000 Trend token, which is, eto, pwede mo nang magamit yan sa social media booster natin. So, eto yung unang-unang project na ni-launch from Trend platform. Okay? So, again, Trend with Threads is a multi-platform, which is ang native token na ginagamit natin dito is Trend. So, you can only buy these packages, yung social media booster na to, with only Trend token. So, on how to get the Trend token, you can claim free airdrops. Okay? Pag kinlik mo to guys, ayan, mapupunta ka dito sa airdrop, which is, this is free and unlimited claim to guys. Okay? Ang kailangan mo lang is yung pang gas fee. So, how much is gas fee? Nasa 21 cents, which is approximately nasa 12 pesos to 15 pesos per claim. Okay? So, 100 Trend token yan, free. Okay? If you claim 10 times, so, ibig sabihin, gas fee lang yun na 12 times 10, okay? So, 120 pesos, magkakaroon ka na ng 1,000 free na Trend token. So, it's up to you. Okay? It's a big privilege for those of you na gusto ng free, 'di ba? Pwede niyo gawin 'yan. So type this airdrop.trendtokenhub.com sa inyong mga MetaMask wallet. And don't forget to set your network into BNB Smart Chain. Okay? And by the way, you can also earn from your referrals. So pwede niyo i-send ang inyong mga referral link, ayan, yung ika-copy nyo lang dito. So, ito yung inyong wallet address. I-attach nyo lang dyan. So, once naka-claim na kayo, automatic yun na magdi-display dito. So, ika-copy nyo lang yun. Send nyo na sa inyong mga friends or prospects or team. And you can earn 10 Trend token for every claim ng inyong mga referrals. So, that's a free money, guys. Okay? So, again, sabi ko nga, pag nilaunch natin sa pag ito ay nilagyan na ng liquidity sa PancakeSwap, pag ito ay tradable na, okay, ang listing price is 10 cents. Okay, so imagine you're claiming, say for example, 100, di ba? 100 per claim. So it's like claiming $10 per claim. Okay, so you only spend 21 cents. So it's a big win na, guys. Alright? So it's up to you. You can unlimited claim. Okay, you can maximize the airdrop, free airdrop, or you can also buy sa ating pre-sale, which is napakamura lang. Okay? So pwede kayong mag-pay using your USDT or pwede rin BNB. So ito mga native token, other token lang yan. So, yan, USDC pwede rin. So, you can choose from those three, BNB, USDT, or USDC. And then, type mo yung amount dito. Say, for example, you want to buy 1,000 or, hold on, this is price pala ni BNB, no? So, say, for example, USDT na lang para mas madali. Okay? Say, for example, bibili ka ng worth $10 na lang, $10. So, you can have 10,000 trend token. Okay? So, ngayon lang yan, guys, ha? While it's 0.001 yung price niya. Again, maubos man or hindi yung ating token allocated dito sa pre-sale 1, which is up to 25,000 sana. Naka 5,000 tayo. So, hindi man ito mapuno, guys, but still, we have 37 days. Okay? I-end natin yung pre-sale 1 na to, phase 1. And then, ilo-launch natin si ilo-launch natin si staking. Okay, pasilipin natin. Silip lang to, guys. Alright, so actually hindi pa to fully deployed. So, ito lang, pasilip lang, guys. So, ayan yung ating staking. And ang price na dito, guys, is, let's see, hold on. Wala dito. So, ang price dito, guys, sa ating ito, ayan. So, 0.01 USDT na ang per trend. Okay? And then, it's another great way for you guys to generate more trend token before pa natin siya i-list sa PancakeSwap. So, again, maraming ways. No? It's another project na ilo-launch natin, yung staking na yan, dito sa ating Trend Multi-Platform. Okay? So, dun pa lang, makakapag-generate na tayo ng maraming rewards. And pwede nating, kumbaga, hindi lang tayo nag-hold ng trend token, kumbaga, nag-generate na tayo while waiting for the listing. Okay? So, maraming ways, guys, para mag-earn. And I'll make sure this time, hindi na tayo maglo-loss, no? Hindi na, magiging successful na tayong lahat dito sa project na to. Kasi, I'm tired of promoting their projects na end of the day, pagka nag-collapse na, wala na tayong magawa, 'di ba? Kasi gustuhin ko mang i-save, 'di ba? I don't have any access from that. But this time, this is my own project, so I'll make sure na this is for lifetime na. All right? Only 2 projects na i-work out. So, yung dollar beans for passive income and this trend multi-platform. All right? So, this is the most exciting project na for sure talaga 100% na hindi ko to susukuan. Okay? So sa lahat ng sasabay, ngayon pa lang, I'll make sure, guys, na hindi tayo mag-fail dito. Okay? So there's no 100% guaranteed, but again, this is my own project, so I'll make sure na magsasucceed dito. Okay? Doon nga sa ibang project, nakakapag-bring ako ng maraming investors. And by the way, this is not my very first own project na minanage ko. I also have my own project before, way back 2021. And yeah, it's a successful project. Yun nga lang, marami nga nagre-request na ibalik yun. Kaya lang kasi I'm not the only one na nag-manage nun or nag-handle nun. I have my other business partners. But unfortunately, meron na silang mga kanya-kanyang projects na din. So, the project was paused. And to cut the long story short, ayun, hindi siya nagtuloy. Okay? So, instead of pursuing that, yun nga, mag-ano pa ako sa kanila. So, ito na lang, this project na alam kong nasa trend. Kaya nga, from the name itself, it's a trend with threads. Alright? And again, I'm most excited with the main project na ilo-launch natin maybe after 3 months, Okay, so unahin muna natin si staking and then itong social booster. So, yung project na yun pwedeng mapaaga. Alright, it's about play to earn. Okay? It's about play to earn wherein mag-earn tayo. This is a music DApp. Alright? Blockchain music DApp na alam naman natin lahat ng, lalo na mga Pinoy, napakahilig sa music. Kaya this is my dream project and finally, this year ay mabibigyang katuparan na. 'Di ba? So, I am a music lover din. So, and I'm a crypto fanatic. So, pinag-combine na yun guys. Kaya dadali natin siya dito sa Web3. Okay? Smart contract din. So, it's like music NFT. So, ayun. Ano lang yan guys. Okay? Para ma-excite din kayo. Kasi I'm very, very excited about this project. So, those who saw this project at this early, okay? Yung nakikita nyo na price na yan. Alright? So, it's not a shitcoin. Okay? Anyone can launch a project or a token, pero ang tanong, may mga use case ba yan? 'Di ba? Yun nga meme coin na for fun lang, 'di ba? Ni President Donald Trump, naging ilang billion guys in just 2 hours. Okay? So, ano use case nun? Wala naman, just to have fun. Okay? So, how much more this token na gagamitin sa multi-platform, sa various projects na ilo-launch natin. Okay? This is a native token nung trend. So, yun. Of course, syempre, yung mga nilo-launch na meme coins, that's because of the power na rin nung si Donald Trump ngayon nag-launch nun. Kaya, pumatok talaga siya. So, we're not comparing this one, si Trend, kasi sino ba naman tayo, no? Hindi naman tayo presidente, hindi naman tayo katulad ni Elon Musk. But, my pride is, I've been into this cryptocurrency space since 2017, and yeah, I'm not new to this kind of project. So, I know kung ano ang meron sa cryptocurrency industry. So, that's why dito ako nakafocus, and I found this very own project na I know merong big potential. Okay, so I'm sharing this with you guys, and it's up to you if you grab this opportunity or not. So, whether you join us or not, I will still list this project, I will still pursue this project, and I'll make sure na talagang magsasucess ito. Kasi this is for lifetime project na guys. Alright? So, hindi ito shitcoin na after few years mawawala na, 'di ba? So, ito, si Trend, ay talagang it will be here for lifetime. Okay? Of course, yun ang pangarap, yun ang dream natin. So, I'll make sure to pursue that. So, ito yung pasilipin natin sa roadmap. Ayan, sa private sale guys, ayan, available pa yung private sale, but hanggang ngayon na lang na end of January yung ating private sale, which is minimum of 100 USDT. Mabibili mo lang siya for 0.0008 per Trend token. So, yung 100 USDT mo ay magkakaroon ka ng 125,000 Trend token. Sa pre-sale yan guys, ay 100,000 lang yan. Okay, so you have free 25,000 Trend token. Compute mo na lang kung magkano yung price difference niyan sa listing price natin. So, ito, ang ating pre-sale available, ongoing na siya, 0.001, okay, as well as the free airdrop. Ayan, samantalahin natin yung free airdrop. And then, nilaunch natin ang ating social media product or social media booster, which is ang payment natin is Trend token. So, meron na agad use case, di ba? Okay? So, next, the second pre-sale, ito is isasabay natin yung ating staking launch. Ayan, and the price will be 0.01 per Trend token na. Okay? So, still, hindi pa siya tradable sa PancakeSwap. Hindi nyo pa siya maiti-trade. But then, you can start generating more para while holding this token, ay tumataas na yung inyong mga holds na mga Trend token dyan. And once na nilaunch na yan, ay napakalaki na nung difference, nung price difference. But again, I suggest you not to sell your holdings kasi, again, pag ito ay nilaunch natin or nilagay na natin ng liquidity, ang price listing niya is 0.10 or 10 cents. Alright? So, after the launch of the staking na yan, ayan, 0.01 na siya. Alright? So, after 3 months, guys, or pwedeng maging earlier, ilo-launch natin yung ating social media DApp, which is the Play to Earn Music DApp. Okay? I'm very excited of this one talaga. Kaya ngayon pa lang, mag-ipon na kayo ng trend token nyo, guys. Kasi magagamit nyo yan dito sa ating music DApp. Alright? And dito, mayroon tayong magiging contest, something like that. And you can use your trend tokens to vote. And after that, you can generate 10x or something like that. So, malupit to guys. Kaya abangan nyo yan. Okay? And then, eto na, yung ating final, which is the centralized exchange listing ni trend token, which is 10 cents per trend. Alright? So, eto yung tokenomics, guys. It's well distributed na. Okay? Yung 20% mapupunta yan sa liquidity. So, ayan yung 100 million trend token. So, by the way, ang total supply natin is 500 million. Okay? It's not mintable. 500 million, yan na yon. Alright? So, magagamit natin sa multi-platform. Kaya, for sure, tataas pa rin yung value niyan. So, listing price is 10 cents. Who knows? Baka mag $1 yan, diba? So, let's just claim it. Diba? So, again, ito yung ating tokenomics or the distribution or allocation. So, 20% will go to the community rewards. Alright? Then, team partners, vested for 2 years. It means, nakalock po yan. Kaya para maiwasan yung pag-dump or sell out. Okay? And then, marketing. Ayan, maghahanap din tayo ng mga marketers and mga YouTubers dyan. You can contact me. Ito yung nakalaan no, sa marketing. 50 million naka-allocate na sa marketing natin. So, 15% for the ecosystem development. And then the treasury, ayan, lock for 2 years din yan para hindi siya mag-dump, okay, once na nilaunch na natin siya. So, that's 100 million. So, total of 500 million trend token. Alright? So, yun. And, bago ko i-end yung video na to, guys, I will show you how to buy on pre-sale and how to claim your airdrop as well. Okay? So, this account has 51.31 USD. So, I can try to claim the airdrop. Okay? So, airdrop muna para makita nyo guys kung paano tayo mag-claim. Airdrop.trendtokenhub.com. So, it's a free claim guys for every claim. Ayan. So, click lang natin yung wallet connect. Select natin kung anong wallet yung gamit nyo. So, I use MetaMask here. Ko-connect siya dito sa ating MetaMask. And then, yeah. So, this account here. So, I'll click on next. Confirm. And, ito, lumabas na agad yung referral link. So, pwede nyo itong isend sa inyong mga kakilala na gusto din na makapag-claim ng free airdrop. So, ulitin natin guys. Claim airdrop. Ayun. So, dapat ito may ganito siya guys. Okay? So, ayan. 21 cents. So, nasa ano siya? Nasa almost 12 to 13 pesos. Okay? Click natin yung connect. Alright. So, ayan. Congratulations. You got your airdrop. You will receive your tokens very soon. So, tignan natin. Nag-notify na siya. Tignan natin kung may na-receive na tayo. But actually, guys, we need to import the token. So, dito tayo sa token. Ayan. So, okay. Nabawasan na siya, guys. And, by the way, pwede nyo siyang i-import. Kokopyahin nyo lang to guys. And pwede rin naman. So, try natin muna sa pre-sale. Since I have enough balance here for the pre-sale, bibili tayo ng $50 worth of trend token. So, i-type nyo lang presale.trendtokenhub.com or punta lang kayo dito sa ating Telegram. Nandun na yung mga links. So, subukan natin add to MetaMask daw or any wallets pwede naman. So, click muna natin yan and let's see kung maa-add siya dito sa ating MetaMask wallet. Alright, so ito siya guys. And ito yung na-claim ko na 100 trend token. So, click muna natin yung add. And there you go. Let's check kung na-add talaga siya dito. So, there you go. Yan. So, ganun lang guys. Click nyo lang yung add to MetaMask. Kahit na naka-trust wallet kayo, pwede rin naman. So, ayan. Ito na siya guys. So, I have 100 trend. So, ngayon, magbe-buy tayo ng pre-sale. Okay? So, dito, pwede nating select BNB since BNB yung aking balance dyan. Let's see. Tokens. So, I have this one, 50.76. So, ang ibabay ko is 0.073. Alright? Or, syempre, kailangan nating magtira ng gas fee, no? So, yan na lang. Okay, 0.072. So, itatype nyo lang guys yung in BNB kasi BNB yung gamit ko. Pero kung USDT yung gamit nyo dyan, mas madali lang. Pwede nyo i-type agad na 50 USDT, di ba? But, since I'm using BNB, my balance is in BNB, so, 0.072, ayan, kailangan nating i-compute. So, convert nyo na lang. Okay? So, ito ay worth 50, I think 49, something like that. So, after you type the amount in BNB, click natin yung Connect Wallet. Okay? Click on MetaMask. And mag-aano siya dito, okay? Mag-ask to connect. So, click natin yung confirm. And then, there you go. So, then, click na natin yung buy trend. Alright? So, magko-confirm siya ulit dito sa MetaMask. And, yeah, 0.26 guys, ang per gas fee, na kasi we're doing it on Binance Smart Chain. Alright? So, after that, click confirm. There you go. Congratulations, you will receive your tokens very soon. So, click OK. And, let's see our token here. So, there you go. So, ayan na guys, I have 49,317. Let's compute ulit. Diba? Nakaka-excite to guys kasi dito pa lang, tiba-tiba na yung mga magbabuy talaga at mag-hold. So, 49,317. 49,317. So, times sa phase 2 na lang muna. So, 0.01 or 1 penny. That's 493 ang value. So, ang puhunan mo lang, 50 USDT. Okay? So, nag-5x na siya agad. Alright? So, ibig sabihin nun 5 times. 'Di ba? I know, it's 10x, almost 10x na siya, guys. So, what if hindi lang ganyan? So, sa launch day, 'di ba? Sa listing price na lang natin i-compute. So, how much is that? 49,317 times natin sa 10 cents, guys. That's 4,931. Okay, times 58 na lang. Sabihin natin 58 per $1. That's 286,000 guys. Okay, ang puhunan, 50 USDT. This is very possible guys. Sa cryptocurrency world, very possible talaga. Nangyayari talaga yan. Meron nga, yung $6 lang na puhunan no, sa Trump, naging $1 million. Okay, ganun kalupit ang cryptocurrency. Ito nga, maliit lang siya. So, this is just the listing price guys. What if nag $1 yan? Si Trump nga nag $68, 'di ba? Shitcoin lang 'yun. How much more sa utility token talaga siya. Okay? So, binigyan ko lang kayo ng sample computation. And by the way, let's refresh this and silipin natin muna yung so ayan, meron na tayong na-raise na 5,175. Hopefully, ayan, once na guys pwedeng mapaaga yung listing natin. Kasi ang purpose ng pre-sale talaga is to gather those budgets sa ating liquidity sa PancakeSwap. Para once na meron na siyang liquidity, pwede na tayong mag-trade. Pwede na nating i-trade. So, yun, grabe guys, nakaka-excite to. So, ngayon, tignan natin yung ating contract. Puntahan natin dito sa trend. So, click lang natin yung trend contract. And then you can see here, ayan, this is trends, ayan, exact match, ayan, 100% smart contract, and punta tayo sa holders, okay? So, there are 34 holders, alright, so nandito lahat guys, pwede nyong tignan, okay? Yung mga nakiklaim, konti pa lang guys, no? Samantalahin nyo yung pag-claim ng ating free airdrop, siguro, mostly nagbabay sila, and yung malalaking amounts na to guys, allocated na yan. Ito yung nandito sa pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, yung tokenomics natin. Well distributed na yan. Okay, sa mga wallets na nakalock guys. Okay? And then ito, yan, may mga nagbabay. So, I think this one is not. So, 3%, 4%. Ayan, 20%. So, yun, congrats sa mga nagbabay. Pwede natin tignan dito sa, ayan, token holders chart. There you go. So, eto guys, ang distribution, no? Yung top 100. So, congratulations sa top 100. Okay, I think there's only how many holders? Let's go back. There are 34 holders and 48 transfers. So, very transparent. Pwede nyo ring i-track dito, no, si Trend Token. Okay? So, transfers. Ayan. Ito guys. Ayan. Ito yung binay natin ngayon. So, airdrop. Ito din yung kinlaim nating airdrop. Ito deposit. So, I think it's, this is my testing sa ating staking. Okay? Nag-test na ako ng nasa staking. Pero hindi pa open yan. Hindi pa yan nilo-launch. On testing phase pa tayo dyan. Okay, ito buy token 1,000, buy tokens 29,000, ayan. So guys, hindi ganun kamahal to. Itong 49 na to nasa ayan, same. So nasa almost $50 lang. So mostly na nagba-buy ngayon is mga $50. And yeah, this one it's like $30, something like that. So ayun guys. Okay, so pwede niyo i-track si trend dito. Andyan ang contract address. Nandyan sa airdrop, makikita nyo, ito yan, i-type nyo lang yan. And then dito rin, sa launchpad natin, pwede nyo din dito puntahan, trend contract. So, you can monitor or you can track the trend, kung yung mga holders niyan. So, pinakita ko naman sa inyo guys, okay? May iwasan yung pag-dump ng token na to, kasi yun ang iniiwasan natin eh, di ba? Kung iisa lang yung yung nag-hold niyan, kung ako lang guys, makikita nyo naman dito yan, no, sa holders. Kung ako lang guys ang may hawak niyan, I can easily dump this token, but of course, I won't do that. I will never do that. This is my own project. I care about this project. I will make sure that this will be the best project na masasalihan nyo guys. Kasi I'm very excited for the upcoming projects, lalong-lalo na yung ating music NFT or what we call the music, trend music, play to earn, blockchain dApp. So, that's very exciting project. Ila-launch natin in a few months from now. Okay? Hindi naman, syempre, hindi natin ipagsasabay-sabayin lahat, 'di ba? Ngayon, ongoing yung ating social media booster. You can also try that, guys. Kasi, so, ito, pwede nyo magamit yan sa pagpapalago ng inyong social media accounts. And it's a big help din sa inyo kung whatever projects na wino-workout nyo. You can advertise there. Okay? Yung Facebook nyo, syempre, kailangan natin ng maraming Facebook followers, 'di ba? Even the Facebook profile, pwede nyong i-boost 'yan. Okay? And then yeah, that's our very first product na ni-launch kay Trend. And again, yung ating staking, ay kung nakaipon na kayo ng Trend diyan, 'di ba? Hindi masasayang ang inyong mga araw kasi pwedeng mag-generate sa inyo 'yan. So while holding Trend token, magge-generate yan ng maraming rewards. And once na available na siya for trading, magagamit nyo din siya to generate money. Okay? So, again, I'm very excited guys. I hope na-gets nyo din no, kung gaano ako ka-excite dito sa project nito. This is not another devs project. This is my own project. And I'll make sure na papatok talaga to at hindi ko to susukuan guys. Okay, so that's all, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and also join our Telegram channels. I'll keep you posted. So si Trend with Threads and Dollar Beans for passive income. So that's all, and again, this is Baby Snow. Thank you so much for watching. Happy earnings everyone. Bye bye.